Hi everyone, this is Nikos with Pinky's Iron Doors, and today we're here to showcase the Queensway Single Full Arch. Hope you enjoy. All right, everyone, we're here with the front portion, the exterior portion of our Queensway Single Full Arch door. This current spec is at a 42-inch by 96-inch specification, and all of our measurements are going to be including the jamb. So that's from outside of jamb to outside of jamb, both width and height. You're going to get a nice crossing section with little nubs that meet in each of the center of the crosses, and then you're going to get a nice little ornate design down at the bottom just to kind of tie in the door. This current door is with a low E glass, which is going to be our energy efficiency glass. It's going to let the most light through. There's going to be no distortion with this glass. You're still going to get our same bore holes here with a 2 1/8 back set and a 5 1/2 center to center. The jamb itself for our single door is going to be 1 inch by 6 inches deep. You can customize that if you want the 6 inches deep. You will need it is required to have that 1 inch jamb on the visible though. You can also make this, we can also make this in a flat top or a regular arch top as well. We probably have some in stock, but you can customize to whatever glass type you want as well, size, anything you need. The frame is included, or the threshold is included with the frame, all built in, welded all in one piece with 12 gauge steel, fully insulated the whole door with polyurethane foam for insulation. Makes it really substantial. When you open this door, you're going to really feel how substantial the metal is and how much quality it is. It does have the operable glass, which I'll show you when I flip this guy around. And I think I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Show you guys the back. All right, we're back with the back of this door, the interior side of our Queensway single full arch. I'm sorry. As I was saying before, the glass panels, you just twist these counterclockwise. And this is going to open up. One of the best parts about our doors with these operable glass panels, it's very easy to clean. You don't have to go through the metalwork and try to get around it. You can clean the glass very easily, as well as the interior side of that metalwork. One of the cool parts about the low E glass, because it's clear, not only do you get a full view of this nice metalwork from the outside, but you also get it from the inside. There's no distortion in this glass. All of our operable panels do come with weather sealing, both on the panel itself and where the panel meets the iron, so that you got a really nice seal to prevent any of the outside elements from entering into the home. And then you just turn them clockwise here in order to close it up. Now this glass is dual pane. You're going to get it tempered as well, so it's not going to shatter if it breaks on you. So it's easier, it makes cleanup easier. You're not going to have to clean up a full floor full of shattered glass. You do get separate hinges for these operable panels, and then when you come over to the hinges for the for the full arch door itself, don't mind this white stuff is just a little bit of grease. You're also going to get Zerk fittings. These Zerk fittings they're grease fittings, and they allow you to grease the door hinges without actually having to remove the door from the hinges itself, which makes it a lot easier because obviously these doors are very heavy metals. For our install tabs, we make it as easy as possible to install. We offset the holes so that you have a little bit of flexibility during your install, and you get 2 on each side as well as 1 on the top, which makes install a breeze as long as you have your the framing of your house nice and level. The nice kick plate design comes over onto the front or the back portion as well on the interior side, so you get it on both sides of the door. Bore holes, again, same as what it is on the front, so you can fit any of our standard lock sets on there. And the design of the glass window is going to mimic the design of the top of this door. So if you have a flat top, it's also going to mimic that and be a nice square top on there. I think that's going to be it for this door. I hope you enjoyed our Queensway Full Arch. All right, thanks for joining us on our showcase for the Queensway Single Full Arch. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@pinkysirondoors.com or shoot us a call at 1-844-843-6677. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next one.